Good day, ma'am. I am Raya Caballero, your student nurse. Today, I will be conducting an assessment. It involves observing some things, and I will be asking you some simple questions. Is that okay with you, ma'am? First, can you tell me, ma'am, if you have noticed any scars, rashes, or dryness and spots in your skin? Sa imong gisot, ma'am, comfortable ra ba ka? Wala pag kayo agtuan ng mga occasions, ma'am?
Wala.
Sa imong hygiene, ma'am, nakagina-follow nga routine or skincare? Would you mind, ma'am, stand up for a moment? Then sit down. Do you feel any discomfort, ma'am?
Medyo sakit akong tulog.
So, sa imong body build, ma'am, na ba kayo na-notice na changes sa imong weight or sa imong muscles? Just to check, ma'am, can you tell me what day today?
Sunday.
And also, can you tell me your full name?
Alana Barrientos.
In a scale of 1 to 10, ma'am, how would you rate your pain?
9.
So, let's proceed, ma'am, sa pain assessment. So, kanusta man nagsugod na imong pain nga pati karon, ma'am?
Last month.
Exactly ang imong pain nun.
Very asa.
Unsa na siya kadugay, ma'am? Unsa na nakadugay nimo kakabati?
Isa na kabuo.
Sa scale of 1 to 10, ma'am, how would you rate your pain?
9.
So, let's proceed, ma'am, sa pain assessment. So, kanusta man nagsugod na imong pain nga pati karon, ma'am?
Last month.
Exactly ang imong pain nun.
Very asa.
Unsa na siya kadugay, ma'am? Unsa na nakadugay nimo kakabati?
Isa na kabulat ka pain.
So, unsay feelingan na, ma'am, pag musakit siya? Na ba swelling, burning, or something sharp?
Hubag.
So, napakailain ka ka-feel, ma'am.
Wala.
So, unsa man ginabuhat, ma'am, para ma-minimize ang sakit sa inyong tuhod?
Hulog-hulog kayo.
So, napakaiginatay karon nga tambal, ma'am.
Wala.
So, na siya certain time yung sakit, ma'am, like every morning, evening, or kanang every time na kay buhaton? So, sa nakakaikuan, ma'am, ang history of pain, like kani other serious pain sa una?
Wala.
Sa imong family members, ma'am, or sa imong siblings or relatives, na po ipaka-feel of pain niya na? So, how the pain affect your family, ma'am? Like, need ba nimo extra tabang nila pag sakit imong tuhod? So, unsa man imong mga concerns or worries sa imong pain, ma'am? Like, maka-apekto man na siya sa imong pagtulog, sa imong mga pangbuhaton sa adlaw-adlaw.
Hindi lang siya nilabakon.
So that's all for this assessment, ma'am. Thank you for your cooperation. This information will help us figure out the best way to support you, and all the information, ma'am, will be kept confidential. So thank you, ma'am. Do you have any questions?
Thank you, ma'am.